Battles. French Revolution began in the year 1789. French Revolution gave rise to the theory of socialism. The slogan of the French Revolution was liberty, equality, and fraternity. Bolshevik revolutions is associated with Russia, who emerged a great leader after the Russian Revolution, Vladimir Lenin. The War of Roses 1450 to 1485 in European history is associated with the Civil War in England, which was the Napoleon's last battle in which he was captured and exiled to St. Helena. Battle of Waterloo. Battle of Waterloo was fought in 1815. The War of American Independence was fought between Britain and North America. Who drafted the Declaration of American Independence? Thomas Jefferson. World War I commenced in 1914. The first atom bomb was dropped Hiroshima on August 6, 1945. Second atom bomb was dropped on Nagasaki on August 9, 1945. Which country suffered the maximum World War II? Japan. The Treaty of Versailles ended the World War I. With which war is the name of Florence Nightingale associated with Crimean War? Battle of the Salamis was fought between Athenian fleet. Persian fleet was defeated when the battle was fought 408 BC. Spartan War I was fought in 459 BC between Sparta and Athens. For how long the war lasted? 30 years. Who were defeated in Spartan War II? Fought in 431 BC. Athenian. In 190 BC, battle was fought between Syrian and Roman. The Syrian army defeated. Name the Battle of Magnesia. 100-Year War was fought in 1338 AD, 1453 AD between France and England. Boston Tea Party is associated with American independence. Phoney War is associated with invasion by Germany of Norway and Denmark.